Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the zoom edit on CapCut. So I'm just going to set the photo to 1 second each, and then just delete that. And then on the picture I'm just going to go to the basic here, add in a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end you're going to want to scale it up to 120%. And then on the second one, you're going to add a keyframe at the beginning as well. Go back to basic, put it to 120%. And at the end, you're going to add a keyframe, and then you're going to put it back to 100%. Once you're done, you're just going to go in the middle, add graphs, and add in the flow too. And you're going to do the same thing with this one as well. And you can copy and paste it like a lot of times if you'd like to. I'm just going to copy and paste it twice and put it to the side. Oops. Can I select this? Thank you. Let's copy and paste this one. Add it to the side as well. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!